as well. May as well start now. This is what the suburbia of Ireland looks like, Dublin. Very quiet. You probably won't get many people interacting with one another. Like our road is like very old. Jesus, the road is so much more bumpier now with the tyres up. It's not nice. It's not a nice ride. It was actually better before. But yeah, no, you might get some here in the cul-de-sacs and all that, but you know, my road, like, there's always kids out playing and all the neighbours know each other. Camper van, it's on the to-do list. That's a few years down the road. I think after this Southeast Asia tour, I'm not going to live around for a while. I'm going to start investing money and looking at local trips. Although granted, with the inflations nowadays, it looks like it's actually cheaper to go away. Some house prices and hotel prices have been like quadruple. The one I'm reading today, PGA Tour in Limerick, some people charging 55,000 for a week in a house. It's insane. Now, no one's gonna get that, you know. But just quoting those numbers, which means everybody else probably gouge a bit more, you know. So. I'm not saying everywhere is like that. I'm just saying that's, you know, because of the PGA Tour. And people are really going crazy lately. And I have to say, so am I. And I'm saving it for the trip. Oh, there we go. Come on. It's a bit busier now than normal, so I'll wait the extra few seconds. There we go. But hey, someone hits me, like, you know, flame. So, happy days. People walking in the cycle lane. My bad. I thought I seen a sign saying that was the cycle lane. My bad. People are good. My bad. If you're here and interested to know about my electric bike, yeah, I don't know anything about it. My dad got it in Halford's, €954 or something like that. It's not the prettiest, it's not the fastest, not the quietest, but hey, it does the job, you know. Cycle off, and then when you get wrecked, just switch it on, and then just, especially for me, because like I'm up in Tallaght. That's at the base of the mountains, so anywhere I'm going to cycle is almost downhill. So just getting home after doing the cycling, you just kind of want to take it easy. You just turn the thing on, so you just make sure you conserve the battery. Thanks. That was nice. He could have made that. But he was Yeah, probably on the Sunday vibes, just chilling. Ah, let this dude go. He looks serious with his helmet and his high vis and his blue bike. Yeah, I look like a clown. But hey, you gotta make do with what you got. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it, one of my videos, my GoPro fell off the car, doing about 80 kilometers an hour. I don't think it's waterproof anymore. I think that's a fact. So, I won't be getting any underwater shots in Southeast Asia. It's a shame because I kind of wanted it to. I don't know, maybe if I make some extra money I might get a new one to leave this one at home. Because I'd only use it the first day. Then it's gone, then I don't have a GoPro for the rest of the trip. That kind of suck. I just didn't want to go around it. Oh, Jesus. But here I'm slowing down, so I had to let him know I was taking the left. There's our VW's others coming in as well. I haven't got a lock for this yet either. High gear. Bit of exercise, so you should remember this rule from one of the other videos. If not, go back and have a look at one of my other videos. Dressed up in a suit attire. Oh, he's going down for a Sunday point or two. Haven't used much of this electric on the bike yet. So. Maybe me the whole way actually. I think I'm doing alright. We're on a bit of a diet. Just calorie count with the fitness pal. Just trying to stay below. So if I can lose a bit of weight. That bike's not electric, so actually probably cycling this every day. You know, she's doing this every day. That's what it is. Probably gonna get it flattened here anyway. What is this? You can cycle on the grass, can't you? It's kind of cool. An old moat type building. Kick the bike off in some shade here. So I'm going to pause the video here. Gonna get a drink in, can cool down a little bit. And see where we are with the battery and go from there.